Hi everyone, hi WW community.
Hi everyone.
Hi WW fam.
I know we're going through a tough time right now.
Just wanted to check in with you all, see how you're doing. We know that it's an unusual time.
And a lot of us are faced with loneliness and things that we've never had to deal with before because we live in such a connected world.
Our virtual workshops are set up to make sure that we've still got the ability to check in with our coach each week.
This is one of the highlights of my week. I absolutely love staying connected.
Now more than ever, it is so important that we keep active, not just for our physical health, but for our mental health too.
What I've learned this week is that there are a few things that I can still control. I can control my meal planning. I can control what I put in my mouth.
For me, it's things like getting out for my walk or tracking my food or making sure I take that 5 minutes out of the day.
Yeah, there's so many recipes to keep you inspired.
I love to swim and that's been taken away, but I'm exploring new activities.
I'm learning a new skill, hula hooping.
Be really kind to yourself. It's not about being perfect.
Stay home, stay active, stay connected.
I have decided that I am not going to let this lockdown unrail me. I've come too far on my weight loss and wellness journey.
As a community, we support each other.
Make sure you're getting lots of sleep. Try and get some sunshine and fresh air every day if you can.
We'll all get through this together.
You've got this. We've got this. We're WW.